Hemang for joining in. He's the Vadodara candidate. Now, Hemang, how do you react when the Congress party says that the vote in Gujarat is going to Narendra Modi and not the candidates? How do you react to that?
Yeah, I know that even the leaders of the Congress party are the fan of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. There are some, pockets where we say that the votes are going to Narendra Modi, not to the candidate. But there are two sides of the coin. Votes are going to Narendra Modi because the people of Gujarat, not only the people of Gujarat, but people of Bharat have seen the stability in the governance, have seen the respect for the elders, for the women, for the yuva in the heart of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
You have big shoes to fill because 2014 Prime Minister Narendra Modi in fact shot to his prime ministerial victory from Vadodara. Vadodara unki karma bhumi kahi jati hai. What is the significance for you and how major is this responsibility of fighting from the constituency of Vadodara?
Yeah, I believe that it is an honorable opportunity, but at the same time, I need to be so humble because it's a big thing that a youth like 33-year-old youth has been given the responsibility to represent the youth of not only Vadodara but the Gujarat.
But what is the challenge this time? I know that Mr. Patil has set a 10 lakh victory margin, especially for Vadodara, while it's 5 lakh for the other constituencies. Will you be able to manage that?
I believe that in BJP, we are not like mushroom people. We don't, come during seasons. We, the Karyakarta of BJP, are into the people, with the people in all their ups and downs. When there was a COVID, our BJP Karyakartas were there. Where there is any flood-like situation or any calamity, our BJP Karyakartas are on the war foot.
All right,
situation.
do you think